Hi everyone, how are you tonight? Tonight I want to do a pour inspired by Fiona at Fiona Art. She does these beautiful dips. She makes them look so easy. So I want to go ahead and try one. I did one a couple of weeks ago that turned out really quite nice. Let's see if I can do it again, some different colors. Try to get an idea of my space here. Move my canvas out of the way. I've got a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas. Now that's a bit larger than what she uses. I think she uses maybe a 6 by 6 or an 8 by 8, something along those lines. Spread this out with my spatula so I have a nice even layer of white paint. If any of you are ever looking for a great spatula to spread paint with, these Axo turning spatulas work great. They're silicone, so they're easy to clean. I've also used them to varnish my paintings because they're just it's really smooth. Okay. Okay, set that aside. Okay. I'm going to start out with a light magenta. She always makes this look so easy. It's probably because she's so talented. I have a Deco Art Metallic Berry. Add next. After I clean the tip off. Don't want that in my painting. Woo! Definitely got more of that than what I wanted right there. A little bit of my magenta over it. I also have a Dioxazine purple. Fill this in here. And put some of the purple on the outside edge to bring this out a little bit more. I have a little bit of Naples yellow. Put a couple of dots of that in the middle. Okay. And I'm going to put my canvas directly on top of it. Just smoothing it out so that I have contact on the entire surface of the canvas. Ooh, Don't want to move it like that. Okay. Then I'm just going to pick it straight up. That is so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Really like that. Very pretty, very pretty. Take my torch and get rid of the air bubbles. See a couple of spots. They're a little bare. Fix those up. Well, I want to say thank you to Fiona for the inspiration because this is so much fun. It's that ooh-ah moment when you pick it up. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous pattern. Well, everyone, I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and like and share my videos. I'd appreciate that. Just going to finish touching up the sides here. Give you a little close-up. See a spot right here. There we go. Bring it up here so you can get a close look at it. It's so pretty. Look at that center. It's fantastic. I love it. I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.